Let's factor this polynomial by grouping, if possible. Okay, to factor by grouping, I need to split this polynomial into two groups. Group the first two terms and the last two terms. And factor each of these two groups using greatest common factor. So what's my greatest common factor here? 5 n p. Can't be n squared because n squared doesn't divide that. So 5n, so it's like, again, when I'm factoring, it's like I'm dividing each term by 5np. So here I'm left with just n minus 2. I expect to have the same quantity in the parentheses here. Same expression in the parentheses here. If I don't, something went wrong. And one of the things that might go wrong is, you see how this leading term here is negative? Negative 5n squared? Your GCF, your greatest common factor, has to have a negative in it. Minus. And my greatest common factor here should be 5n. And again, I'm dividing by 5n. Okay, so 5n squared divided by 5n, that's just n. And 10n, oh, wait a minute. I'm dividing by negative 5n. Sorry. 10n divided by negative 5n is negative 2. That's my n minus 2. Now I need to factor out. You see, so I have 5np times n minus 2 minus 5n times n minus 2, so I can factor out that n minus 2. Whoops. So I can factor out that n minus 2. And if I divide each of these terms by n minus 2, you can see what I'm left with. This cancels. 5np minus 5n. But I haven't factored completely. Because look, common factor here, which lets me know there's common factors in the beginning that I could have factored out. But that's okay. Common factor here of 5n that I can divide out. So if I divide out 5n, I'll show the division again. If I factor out or I divide out 5n, left with p minus 1. And now I'm factored complete.